Well, hello, and welcome back to another Dollar Tree Finds videos. And today, we are on the hunt for new hits and old favorites. Let's go. Okay, guys, I'm over in the glass section, and there's a couple things I have never seen before. Check this out. Like, this is like, you could use this to put a little bit of the good stuff in if you wanted it to be a little fancier. And its top is friggin' ornate, right? Very ornate. And this is $1.50. Super cool. I don't know why, but I think this is awesome. You could definitely DIY with this by changing the color or doing anything like that you might want to add to that. But very, 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 very cute. The other thing that I'm noticing is these green bottles up here with the top too. I really like those, and I don't know if I've ever seen those before. Let's see if we can find anything else. Okay, you guys, I just wanted to point this out because I feel like this is my first time seeing this. Now, I've known about, these tiny kind of sew kits, but this is my first time seeing it over here in the Crafters Square section. Now, I'm having to assume that it's $1.25, but it's a good kind of kit to have, especially for on the road if you needed to fix something. And I think we're taking a lot more road trips right now, so I think this is really cool. And this kit is pretty complete to me. It's got the scissors and whatnot. And then I see a smaller kit as well, I think at that same price. But I like this one also because it has the case, so it kind of keeps everything together for you while you're traveling. Really, really cool. I love that. Okay, you guys, check this out. Now, I've seen crochet hooks before, but I have never seen a 12-piece crochet hook set. Now, for those of us who are beginner crocheters and don't want to commit to expensive hooks like my girl Ola Joe, the crocheting sailor, has, you could pick these up, and I think this is just $1.25 for these 12 different hooks that are different sizes and whatnot. I think that's a really dang good deal. Oh my goodness. Why am I thinking this is the coolest thing ever? Why, as a crafter, when I find stuff that is just completely basic for most people, do I think it's the coolest thing? I saw a piece at the Goodwill that I think I'm going to reproduce for my Thrifty Thursday. But I do think this would come in handy. I love it. So basically it's a set of 3 kind of that thin wood circles. And one of the things that I noticed about these when I stain them is that they almost always have a really cool grain on them. Now, I don't know what the price on this is, but I'm hoping it's just $1.25, because if so, that is a deal and a dang steal, you guys. I love this. Let's see what else we can find. Now, what am I looking at here? So, photo hanger line. It's over here on this end cap, and what caught my eye was just these beautiful colors. Now, I've seen stuff like this before where it's kind of got the rope string and some kind of clips, and you use it to clip your pictures onto. Hopefully that's coming through for you guys. But I have never seen it with this multicolored look. This is super, super cool, you guys. And these are only $1.25. If you are looking at hanging up pictures for the end of the year or doing some celebrations, it might be worth considering checking this out. I just wanted to point this out, you guys. I'm in the candle section, and this is kind of cute. I don't think I've seen this particular candle before, but because of the kind of the jute hanger, if you will, it makes me think that, like, along our porches and stuff like that and on our decks, we could just put like a little hook, hang this on it, and then slip in a little candle. Now, Dollar Tree does sell citronella candles, but wouldn't that be just a cute idea? So this would basically just kind of hook on the porch, slip your citronella candle inside of there. Super, super cute. And you would get the light from it. I think that's a cool idea. And these are $1.25 if I'm looking at that correctly. So I love that. That's super, super cute. Check these out, you guys. I don't know if I've seen these before. So these are those kind of LED tea light candles, but they're coming in the shape of a flower, and I'm seeing some different colors here. Now, these pink ones, I'm seeing those. These teal ones, that's kind of cool. I like that. And then lastly, I'm kind of seeing some lavender ones here. Super cool. And I don't think I've seen these before, but you guys let me know if you've seen these in your store. Oh, super cool, you guys. Check this out. So they have a bouquet holder with foam. Now, I feel like I've seen this in previous years, but just in case I'm confused, I wanted to show you guys that these are back in again. Now, I'm guessing that what this is for your brides, right? Your brides or bridesmaids, anybody that you would be making kind of a bouquet for any sort of occasion, but mostly what comes to my mind is weddings. And so you can grab this for, I think it's just $1.25. So that's actually really cool. It's not bad. Now for me, I would probably want to spray paint it just so that it looked a little bit less plasticky, if that makes sense. But I think this would be a really, really cool thing to maybe DIY a really nice bouquet. Oh my goodness, you guys, check out this kit. Now I've seen kits in the past, but this is my first time seeing this one. It's a DIY felt sewing kit. Is that what I'm seeing? Felt sewing kit. And it's kind of like a little keychain, but this one's got this cute dinosaur on it. I guess that's all of the things that come inside the kit. And I know people start to put together kind of little activity situations for their kids while they're not in school. So these might be some things to consider to add to that. But they have this cute, that blue seahorse is giving everything to me. This would be good for my girl Ola Jo, the crocheting sailor. She loves the color blue and anything oceanic. And that's what's in there. And these appear to be just $1.25. So keep that in mind if you're looking for kind of those keep them busy kits, if you will. Dollar Tree has quite a few of those. Guess what else I'm seeing in the kits, you guys? They've got these amigurumi. You guys and my yarny people, let me know if I'm saying that correct. But I see this crochet animal kit, and here's all the components that are inside of it. And then that's what you get. It's like a little donut. It's like a little donut situation. And I think these are $1.25. Let me see if we can see what some of the different ones are that they have. So they've got a bumblebee here too. And that's all the stuff that's in there. It even gives you the needles that you need for that. Let's see what this is. Oh, he's cute. You got this little kind of guy, this little aquatic guy with his little blue. Let me see if I see anything else, you guys. Is that it? Nope, nope, nope. And then we also have a cactus person, a cactus thing, whatever you want to call it. But yeah, that's so cool. I love that color green. And it comes with the crochet needle and then any sewing needles and the yarn that you need. I think that is dang cool for $1.25. Again, adding these to the kits, you know, for we can do them ourselves and or we can provide them for the kids. Okay, you guys, now I spied this over here and I'm like, okay, maybe I need this. It's an industrial strength glue stick. Now, usually I mess with the school glue sticks, but I'm like, what makes this different? It's permanent, low odor, no residue. Okay, so maybe it sticks. It has a super strong adhesion, it says. So it's definitely, it's non-toxic. So that's similar to what we like about the school glue, but maybe the adhesion is longer lasting. I don't know. But let me know if you guys have used this and how it worked out for you. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I hope that you enjoyed the video. Did you spy something that got your creative juices going? Make sure to put that in the comments. Also, make sure to subscribe if you haven't already. And of course, have a good rest of your day.